Hello prep1, today we'll take new lesson, unit 4 geometric construction. The first, draw perpendicular bisectors to given lines. Begin with a given line. Okay, number 1, we have a given line and place the compass point on one end point of the line. Okay, write the compass, place the compass on point. Now, number 2, adjust the compass radius, okay, to approximately 2/3. The length of the line radius must be more than half the length. Okay, open the compass more than half the length. يعني if the length مثلا is 10 centimeter, we open the compass more than radius 5. يعني ممكن يكون أكبر من half، يعني 6. okay، أو 6 and 6.5. okay, the line but actual size doesn't matter. okay، يبقى هنا بيكون radius must be greater than half the length of the line, but actual size doesn't matter. Number 3, draw arc above and below the lines. Okay, but we draw arc above and below the line. Now draw a perpendicular bisector to given line without adjusting the radius. Place the compass point on the opposite edge of the line. Okay, now draw arcs intersecting the first two. Okay, connect here. We draw the arc intersecting in the first two, intersecting the first two. Connect the intersections using straight line edges. Now draw perpendicular bisector to given line. Solution. This is the final drawing. Now summarize the steps in your words. The second part of this lesson, bisect angle. Begin with a given angle. Place the compass points on the vertex Q. Okay, place the compass and the vertex Q, and adjust to with approximately half the length of one leg of the angle. Exact width is not. Okay، يبقى بنopen الكامبس، بنput الكامبس عند vertex. Okay, on the vertex, and adjust to width approximately half the length. Okay, half the length of the length of one leg of angles. Now draw an arc across each leg of angle and move the compass point to intersections of one of the leg and arc. Number 4, and draw an arc in the interior of the angle. Bisect angle without changing the radius of the compass. Do the same on the other leg of the angle, so the arcs intersect like this. Using straight edge, connect the vertex and intersections of the two arcs. Okay, this is a final drawing of bisect angle solutions. Now summarize the steps. طيب, the next part of lesson, transfer an angle. Okay, begin within a given angle. We have a given angle and draw one leg of the angle at a new location and choose the edge to use as a vertex. Okay, like this. Now place the compass point on the vertex of the angle. Draw an arc convent radius يعني intersections both legs of the angle, and transfer an angle without changing the weights of the compass. Place the compass point on the tip of line that will be the vertex. Number 5, draw similar arc intersecting the line and extending above or below. Type transfer an angle. Place the point of the compass on the intersection of the arc and one of the legs. Number 7, adjust the compass so the lead is on the other intersections of the arc and opposite leg. Transfer an angle without changing the radius of a compass. Place the point on the intersections of the arc and line new locations. Number 9, draw an arc that intersects the other arc. Transfer an angle. Number 10, use a straight edge to draw a line from the vertex through the intersections of the two arcs. Transfer an angle solution. This is a final answer. Summarize the steps. Now, construct triangle given 3 sides. Okay, we have 3 sides. Begin with the 3 given sides. Number 1, draw a point that will be one vertex of the straight. Number 2, measure one of the sides with your compass. You will use the base of the straight of the triangle. Constructions of triangle 3 sides without changing the radius of a compass. Place the point of the compass on the vertex point. Draw an arc to side of the point. Number 4, draw an arc to the side of the point. 5, make a point on the arc. This will be the second vertex of the triangle. Construct a triangle 3 sides given 3 sides. Number 6, using the compass, measure the length of one of the other given side without changing the radius. Place the compass point on one of the 2 vertices and draw the arc above or below the base. Number 8, using the compass, measure the length of the last side. Okay. Number 9, without changing the radius, place the compass point on the other vertex and draw an arc that intersects the other arc. This becomes the third vertex. Construct a triangle 3 given side. Number 10, connect 3 vertices. I've been connected 3 vertices using a straight edge. Construct a triangle with 3 side solution. This is the final answer. Summarize the steps of your words. Construct an equilateral triangle given one side. The first step, begin by making a point. This will be first vertex. Okay. Now, using a compass, measure the length of the given side and set the compass point on your first vertex. Number 3, draw arcs to the side of the first vertex. Draw arc where you want the second vertex and an arc above or below to locate the third vertex. Construct the equilateral triangle. Number 4, place point on one of the 2 arcs. This will be the second vertex. Without adjusting the radius of the compass, place the point on the second vertex point and draw an arc intersecting the first arc. Connect 3 vertices using the straight edge. Constructive collateral given one side solution. This is a solution of final drawing. Now summarize steps. Summary. Identify how the exercise relate to one another. What do you learn from bisecting a line that you can apply to bisecting an arc? How do you use that? What you learned from bisecting an arc to bisect an angle? How do the skills learned from bisecting an angle help you to transfer an angle? This is the end lesson. Thank you for good listening.